Hello everyone. I think 89% of deaf will love this heat transfer label. Look at this one. Elephant patterns like this, and the best size map. You can customize any logos, any designs. You see this one or this one. Tiger's pattern. See the details. See the best size map. Or this one. Or the flower. This one is okay. Do you like it? And not just flower. So you can customize any design. DIY your logos on the clothes like this one. You can custom this one. Yeah. So if you want free samples, kindly contact us online. Okay? We are waiting for you. Thank you.